Hello, and I'll be attempting a ton of burps today. I know people, that's the most pathetic thing to do. You ain't the boss of me.
Why do you do that with your hand?
I don't know.
What are those? Say that. Burping.
Okay. I got one question for you.
What? Oh.